Buying a used car is supposed to save you money, but sometimes, the cheapest deal can end up being the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. Some used vehicles may look like incredible bargains on the outside, offering modern styling, attractive prices, and plenty of features. But beneath the surface, they can hide costly mechanical problems that lead to thousands of dollars in unexpected repairs. The truth is, not every used car is created equal. While proper maintenance always plays a major role in a vehicle's reliability, certain models have developed a consistent reputation for mechanical issues, expensive repairs, and below-average dependability. That's why many mechanics, automotive experts, and long-term owners recommend approaching these vehicles with extra caution. In today's video, we'll cover 10 used cars that you may want to think twice about before buying. We'll explain the common problems owners report, why these issues can become expensive over time, and what makes these vehicles riskier than many of their competitors. Make sure you watch until the end, because some of the most surprising vehicles on this list are also some of the most popular used cars on the market. Before we start, remember that no used car is guaranteed to be perfect. However, some models have developed a reputation for recurring problems, expensive repairs, and lower reliability compared with their competitors. With that said, let's take a look at the first vehicle on our list. Number 10. 2021 Ford Escape. At number 10, we have the 2021 Ford Escape. Although it offers modern styling and good fuel economy, many reliability experts recommend approaching this model with caution. Owner reports have highlighted issues such as excessive engine vibration, transmission-related concerns, and below-average reliability compared with other compact SUVs. The challenge is that these problems may not be obvious during a short test drive. As the vehicle ages, they can become more noticeable and lead to unexpected repair costs that quickly reduce the value of what initially seemed like a great deal. If you're considering a used compact SUV, it's worth comparing the Escape with competitors like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5. They offer similar space, practicality, and versatility, while some have built a more consistent reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. The Escape may still be the right choice for some buyers, especially if it has been well-maintained. However, taking the time to compare your options could save you money and frustration in the long run. Unfortunately, transmission problems become an even bigger concern with the next vehicle on our list. Number 9. 2021 to 2023 Ford Explorer. Coming in at number 9 is the 2021 to 2023 Ford Explorer. The Explorer is one of the most recognizable midsize SUVs on the market, offering a spacious interior, strong performance, and plenty of modern features. However, these model years have received criticism for reliability concerns, particularly involving the transmission. Some owners have reported rough shifting, hesitation, and transmission-related failures that can affect everyday driving and, in more serious cases, lead to unexpected breakdowns. Because transmission repairs can be extremely expensive, even a single major repair can quickly cost thousands of dollars. If you're considering a used midsize SUV, it's worth comparing the Explorer with competitors like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and Mazda CX-9. They offer similar space and practicality, while some have built a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. A well-maintained Explorer may still provide years of dependable service, but checking its maintenance history and having it professionally inspected before buying are essential steps that can help you avoid costly surprises. But transmission problems aren't the only expensive issue used car buyers should watch out for. The next SUV on our list is famous for its off-road capability, but it also comes with reliability concerns that shouldn't be overlooked. Number 8. 2014 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. At number 8 is the 2014 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler is famous for its legendary off-road capability, iconic design, and loyal community of enthusiasts. However, when buying one used, certain model years have developed reliability concerns that buyers should carefully consider. Owners have reported issues involving suspension components, electrical systems, and water leaks inside the cabin. While these problems don't affect every Wrangler, they've been reported often enough to raise concerns about long-term dependability compared with many other SUVs. The biggest concern is that these repairs can become both frustrating and expensive over time. Electrical problems can be difficult to diagnose, Suspension repairs can quickly add up, and water leaks may lead to additional damage if moisture is left unchecked. If you're considering a used off-road SUV, it's worth comparing the Wrangler with competitors like the Toyota 4Runner, Subaru Outback Wilderness, or Ford Bronco. While each has its own strengths, some have earned a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. A well-maintained Wrangler can still be an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts. However, a thorough inspection, signs of previous off-road damage, and a complete maintenance history are essential before making your final decision. And the next vehicle on our list proves that even family-friendly vehicles packed with modern features can come with expensive reliability concerns. Number 7. 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. At number 7, we have the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica is a popular choice among families thanks to its comfortable interior, flexible seating, and wide range of modern features. However, when it comes to long-term reliability, this model has raised concerns among many used car buyers. Owners have reported issues involving electrical systems, transmission problems, and other mechanical concerns that can affect everyday ownership. These issues can be especially frustrating in a family vehicle, where unexpected repairs often mean both inconvenience and costly repair bills. If you're considering a used minivan, it's worth comparing the Pacifica with competitors like the Toyota Sienna and Honda Odyssey. They offer similar family-friendly practicality, while some have built a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. A well-maintained Pacifica can still be a comfortable and practical family vehicle. However, reviewing the service history and confirming that all major systems are working properly before purchasing can help reduce the risk of unexpected repairs. But the next vehicles on our list take transmission problems to another level. They involve one of the most expensive failures a used car owner can face, a CVT transmission that can cost thousands of dollars to repair or replace. Number 6. Nissan models with CVT transmission problems. At number 6, we have several Nissan sedans and SUVs equipped with CVT transmissions. Models like the Nissan Altima, Nissan Maxima, and Nissan Rogue have attracted many buyers because of their affordable prices, comfortable interiors, and good fuel economy. However, some Nissan models equipped with CVT transmissions, particularly certain model years, have developed a reputation for reliability concerns as they age. Unlike a traditional automatic transmission that uses fixed gears, a CVT relies on a belt and pulley system to deliver smooth acceleration. When problems develop, drivers may notice hesitation, shuddering, loss of power, or, in more serious cases, complete transmission failure. The biggest concern is the repair cost. Replacing a failed CVT transmission can easily cost several $1,000s, turning what seemed like an affordable used car into a much more expensive investment. If you're considering one of these models, it's worth comparing it with competitors that use conventional automatic transmissions, such as the Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, or Mazda 6. They offer similar comfort and practicality, while some have built a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. Regular maintenance and a complete service history can certainly improve the chances of long-term reliability. However, buyers should still understand the potential risks before making a purchase. But expensive repairs aren't limited to transmission problems. The next vehicle on our list proves that buying a luxury SUV at a bargain price can sometimes lead to even bigger repair bills. Number 5. 2007 to 2013 BMW X5. At number 5, we have the 2007 to 2013 BMW X5. A used BMW X5 can look like an incredible bargain. It offers luxury styling, powerful engines, advanced technology, and a premium driving experience that many affordable SUVs simply can't match. However, its attractive purchase price can sometimes hide much higher ownership costs. These model years have developed a reputation for costly repairs involving oil leaks, cooling system failures, and air suspension problems. Because BMW parts and labor are typically more expensive than those of many mainstream brands, repair bills can add up quickly. One major repair can easily cost thousands of dollars. A failed air suspension component or a major cooling system repair can quickly turn what seemed like an affordable, luxury SUV into an expensive vehicle to own. If you're considering a used 2007 to 2013 BMW X5, a complete maintenance history is essential. A well-maintained example may still provide an excellent driving experience, but buying one with neglected maintenance can become very expensive. If you're considering a used luxury SUV, it's worth comparing the X5 with competitors like the Lexus RX, Acura MDX, and Audi Q7. They offer similar comfort and performance, while some have earned a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. But expensive ownership isn't limited to luxury SUVs. The next vehicle on our list proves that even an affordable compact car can come with surprisingly expensive repair bills. Number 4. 2011 to 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. At number 4, we have the 2011 to 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze became popular among used car buyers because of its affordable price, good fuel economy, and practical compact design. For shoppers looking for inexpensive transportation, it can seem like an attractive option. These model years have developed a reputation for reliability issues, including coolant leaks, turbocharger problems, and electrical system failures. These issues can lead to frustrating ownership experiences and unexpected repair costs over time. One major concern is that cooling system problems can sometimes lead to more serious engine damage if they're left unresolved. Turbocharger repairs and electrical faults can also become expensive, especially as the vehicle gets older. If you're considering a used 2011 to 2016 Chevrolet Cruze, check carefully for coolant leaks, review the maintenance history, and confirm whether major cooling system or turbocharger repairs have already been completed. A pre-purchase inspection can also help identify problems before you buy. If you're considering a used compact car, it's worth comparing the Cruze with competitors like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Mazda 3. They offer similar practicality and fuel efficiency, while some have built a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. But reliability isn't the only thing buyers should consider. The next vehicle on our list has also been criticized for weak performance, outdated technology, and overall build quality. Number 3. 2011 to 2020 Dodge Journey. At number 3, we have the 2011 to 2020 Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey often attracts used car shoppers because it offers 3-row seating, SUV practicality, and a very affordable price compared with many competitors. For families on a budget, it can seem like a great deal. However, these model years have developed a reputation for below-average reliability. Owners have reported concerns involving transmission problems, suspension wear, electrical issues, weak engine performance, and outdated interior technology. One of the biggest concerns is that the low purchase price doesn't always translate into low ownership costs. As the vehicle ages, repair bills can add up quickly, making what seemed like a bargain now far less affordable over time. If you're considering a used 2011 to 2020 Dodge Journey, inspect the suspension, check the transmission's condition, review the maintenance history, and have the vehicle professionally inspected before making a purchase. If you're considering a used midsize SUV, it's worth comparing the Journey with competitors like the Toyota Highlander, Honda Pilot, and Kia Sorento. They offer similar practicality, while some have built a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. And as we move closer to number 1, the next vehicle on our list proves that an affordable purchase price doesn't always translate into affordable ownership. Number 2. 2014 to 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. At number 2, we have the 2014 to 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. The Outlander has attracted many used car buyers because of its affordable price, available 3-row seating, and good fuel economy. For families looking for a budget-friendly SUV, it can seem like an excellent value. However, these model years have received criticism for reliability concerns, particularly involving the CVT transmission, inconsistent engine performance, and overall driving refinement compared with many competitors. While these issues don't affect every vehicle, they have been reported often enough to make buyers think twice before purchasing one used. One of the biggest concerns is that transmission-related repairs can become expensive as the vehicle ages. Combined with below-average resale value, unexpected repair costs can quickly reduce the savings that made the Outlander attractive in the first place. If you're considering a used 2014 to 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander, review the maintenance history carefully. Confirm that the CVT transmission has been properly serviced and have the vehicle professionally inspected before making a purchase. If you're considering a used compact SUV, it's worth comparing the Outlander with competitors like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-5. They offer similar practicality, while some have built a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. A well-maintained Outlander may still provide years of dependable service. However, understanding its maintenance history and comparing it with other options can help you make a more informed buying decision. And finally, we've reached the #1 vehicle on our list, a luxury SUV that proves a low purchase price can sometimes come with the highest ownership costs of all. Number 1. Older Land Rover/Range Rover. Taking the top spot on our list is the older Land Rover and Range Rover. Few SUVs offer the same combination of luxury, comfort, and off-road capability. A used Range Rover can look extremely tempting because depreciation can make a once expensive luxury SUV available at a much lower price. However, the ownership experience can become very expensive. Older models are known for reliability concerns involving air suspension systems, cooling components, electrical problems, and other costly repairs. One of the biggest concerns is the air suspension system. While it provides a smooth and comfortable ride, components such as air springs and compressors can fail as the vehicle ages. Replacing these parts can cost thousands of dollars, turning an affordable luxury purchase into a major financial burden. A low purchase price does not change the fact that this was an expensive vehicle when it was new. Maintenance and repair costs often remain at a luxury level even after the market value has dropped. If you're considering an older Land Rover or Range Rover, a detailed inspection and strong maintenance history are absolutely essential. Without proper care, the repair bills can quickly outweigh the value of the vehicle. For most used car buyers, choosing a more reliable SUV with lower ownership costs will usually be the smarter long-term decision. And that wraps up our list of 10 used cars you should think twice about before buying. Buying a used car is all about making the right decision before you spend your money. While no vehicle is guaranteed to be perfect, understanding common problems and reliability concerns can help you avoid expensive mistakes in the future. Remember, a low purchase price does not always mean a good deal. The true cost of ownership includes repairs, maintenance, and the reliability you can expect years after buying the vehicle. Before purchasing any used car, always check the maintenance history, get a professional inspection, and take the time to compare your options. Now we want to hear from you. Which vehicle on this list surprised you the most? And are there any other used cars you think buyers should avoid? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more used car buying tips, reliability guides, and advice to help you make smarter decisions before your next purchase. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.